All right, everybody, welcome to trading with me. We're going to start by doing this. Bring this screen over. I'm going to check this out. So, I think what I'm going to do is just kind of stick with the core thing that I've been doing and working on. I just checked out the dollar CAD. It hit a 4-hour level that worked, but they don't seem to be very consistent. Either that or it's just current market conditions aren't really I don't know. We're letting that work. So I'm going to stick with just the standard one. If you look at the standard, we'll just delete all the ones that aren't standard. So we came in at 50%, which is good. That's kind of the goal that we're aiming for. I'm going to leave the euro yen open because, well, I just am. Because it's open and it's quite far ahead. So I get to trade one more week at least, knowing that the core part of the strategy is working. Let's drop something. So yeah, other good news, I got Diamond League 2 in StarCraft 2, so that's good. On my way to becoming a Master League player, so that's pretty cool. And then Grandmaster one day. My fiance thinks it's stupid, but I don't really care what she thinks, so. Anyways, let's jump into it. We're just going to be deleting the video, or erasing the trades. We'll start with that. Oh, we're already dead. Okay, perfect. We'll go to this dollar CAD trade already. So, I put the 20 period moving average on here. I think I'm going to leave the RSI kind of just alone and turn it on when I want it, because having two sets of charts up is kind of, for me, annoying. But I'm going to look for this moving average cross as it comes into the higher time frame supply and demand levels. And I think that'll be pretty useful for getting in those kinds of trades. But, as you can see here, this close, 4163, is lower than 4167. So this would be ready to go. And I saw these two trades right here on my phone today, this one and this one. That'll be probably looking at next week. Be able to take. Might just be some profit taking, but it could be the beginning of a new trend as well. So you would actually have this move too. So yeah. Anyways, delete it. The euro, a lot of the majors seem to be. Let's see here. We'll put the RSI on here just for a second. Doing this like divergence. So you got your divergence on the hour. Now the trigger would be the moving average cross on the 240. I don't know what precision means, but whatever. So that would be the moving average, or the moving average cross would be the trigger to take this as it comes down to the demand area here. But for now, I'm just going to delete the RSI because we got that divergence there. But we're going to delete everything off the chart and take a look at some of these major pairs. They're actually starting to kind of uptrend, or trend upwards, or show some strength. Okay, we got closes above, but we're looking for that cross on these. So. And the same kind of thing here, you got that divergence. So the next thing would be just a cross, and then we could take it based on the 240 charts. And what that'll do is you see the moving averages, you get in pretty late. There was a demand or a supply level up here somewhere, which it looks like there was. You get in pretty late after the trade, but look what you get. You get the full move, and you just trade it right down to the next daily area, or the 240 area, or the next curve area, essentially. That way, you keep all your money when it crosses the other way, because it'll cross up here, so you only get a third of the move or something like that. The Aussie I just looked at too is kind of even more so, starting to form an uptrend. I don't know that I trust it because it is inside still. It's like a what is it called? The corrective move. See the dollar franc diverging real hard. Depending on how these work, like this is going to be my new curve trade setup. Whether I'm in a normal trade or not, I'm still going to take these. So we'll have some of the curve trade action, but this might be a pretty good strategy. But sometimes what you'll do is if it's choppy, it'll it won't work that well. So you get in on like the close of this candle, stop and glow below like the normal swing. It's 169, and then you put it up to here, so 352. You're still getting a 1 to 2 out of that, at least. Then you just take it off right before it gets to the next demand level. So that actually might become my strategy. Okay. That was just my alarm for work. Let me know to do my time card that I already did. Anyways, we're going to delete that. So we're going to take the trend time frame, the trending trades yet based on the 240 and the 60 for trend and entry, and then start mixing in some of this other stuff too. Because I think there is some good stuff. See, like this would be an example where it's choppy as hell. So you take it to close of this one. You have to put it below the low here, which you'd still be in, but you'd definitely be down. Well, you might be up now. But yeah, this is the euro yen trade I was talking about. So I'm going to leave this one alone. Leave that one alone. Lately, the markets have been really following those moving averages, though. Yeah, so we'll just delete this too. Yeah, so there was a cross. Let's just see. We could have gotten in. Oh, thank you. Do you want it?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Thank you. Addie just gave me some money. A quarter she found. So that could be your 240 level, which would basically be a reaction to this. Right now I'm in the mood to like force things to work for me. So I didn't quite get up there. But we are high on the curve. And we do have the cross, so that would be the close. Your stop would have to probably put your stop just right above there, maybe right above the basing. Yep, just right above the base. Take it down to the next level. Delete everything. Alright, going on the pound CAD. And the pound Aussie. Still just fucking see, here's another example where like you take the cross there and then it crosses there. Like it's just choppy. See, leave that alone. You wait for it to come into the area of demand, then do the cross, then take the trade. But yeah, there we go. That's it. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow when I do the trend or the curve video. Excuse me. If you have any more suggestions though for moving average lines, they're good. I was thinking the 50 and the 200, but for like what I do, it's not really. Those two aren't really that great. I was gonna put like the 5 on here, but I think that would be too. Well, I guess I can just see. do the 820, so that's what I do. I don't know that it changed. Line. Thicken her up. Yeah, see, that just moves too much. So yeah, that would be the entry right there on this candle. Stop below there. That's just, I think, too much. So, but yeah, anyways, that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow with a curve video. Have a great day, and happy trading. Have a good weekend.